Ever feel like you're stuck in a cycle of bad habits, procrastination, or distractions? What if I told you that mastering just one skill can change everything? Yes, self-discipline is the key to unlocking the life you've always dreamed of. And the best part? You can build it from scratch, starting today. How to build self-discipline? Let's begin. Here's the hard truth. The difference between where you are and where you want to be isn't talent, it's discipline. But if you're feeling stuck, don't worry. Stick with me for the next 3 minutes, and I'll show you how to start building self-discipline today, step by step. Step 1, know your why. The first step is to identify your why. Why do you want to be disciplined? Is it to get fit, build wealth, or achieve your dream career? Write it down. A clear purpose will anchor you when the temptation to quit arises. Step 2, start small. Self-discipline isn't built overnight. Start with tiny, achievable habits. Wake up 10 minutes earlier, drink a glass of water first thing in the morning, or set aside 5 minutes to plan your day. These small wins build momentum. Small habits lead to big results. Step 3, embrace discomfort. Discipline is about doing what's necessary, even when it's uncomfortable. Push through the resistance. Remember, every time you conquer discomfort, you're training your mind to be stronger. Step 4, create a system. Relying on motivation is risky. It comes and goes. Instead, create systems. Schedule your workouts, prep your meals, and block time for focused work. Systems make discipline easier by removing decision fatigue. Step 5, celebrate progress. Don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Rewarding yourself reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. Progress over perfection. Building self-discipline is like planting a seed. It takes time, patience, and care, but once it grows, it'll transform your life. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You need to start. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more life-changing tips. And tell us in the comments, what's one habit you'll start today to build your self-discipline? Let's inspire each other.